welcome to IABM TV. My name is Riikka Koponen. I'm the principal analyst of IABM, and here with me today is Jean-Marc Racine, your Chief Product Officer at Haivision. Welcome.
Thank you, and thank you for having me.
Excellent. For those who don't know Haivision that well, could you briefly start with a short introduction and introducing the company and also the market segments and customers that you're working with, please?
So Haivision specializes in live video contribution over any network. By any network, we mean fixed line networks as well as cellular networks. And the company's focus is on delivering high quality, secure, low latency video. So everything that we do at Haivision has to deal with contribution. So the segment from the camera to the studio, all the remote production workflows, and the primary distribution of content. And we serve that mainly with two product families, our Makito encoders, which are designed to do low latency video over IP, so fixed line video, and our Pro and Air transmitters, which are bonded cellular transmitters to allow people to contribute video over cellular network, whether it's 3G, 4G, 5G, private 5G, you name it, any network. So that's what we focus on. We focus on that first mile of the video value chain. And that's why we like to say that great broadcast starts with Haivision.
Great start. Now, Haivision, you're the original developer of the SRT protocol. And why do you see SRT such a critical component of today's broadcast infrastructure?
So, Haivision invented SRT back in 2013. In 2017, we actually open sourced SRT. And we created the SRT Alliance, which now has over 700 members. And the SRT Alliance is the who's who of the broadcast and technology industry. It shows the adoption of SRT across the board. I think most of the broadcasters today, all the technology vendors are using SRT. So it's an immense success. What SRT has done is it has democratized the use of the open internet and IP video for professional means. So you're now able to contribute video over SRT. You're able to do, global worldwide distribution of live video stream using SRT. And it's just the beginning. There is a growing demand for SRT. A lot of workflows are migrating to SRT. So SRT was built to offer secure, reliable transport. That's what SRT is about.
And also transforming the whole industry, also including those non-media segments in the future as well, likely. Now then, we move on to 5G because it's so interesting what you've been doing. We see definitely, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region, we see the 5G networks, all of that is being built and expanding. 5G live production, it has become a very important topic in live broadcasting. So how is Haivision helping broadcasters to take advantage of 5G at the moment?
So 5G, there are two sides to the 5G topic. The first one is for news and sports, you need to be able to contribute video in a mobility environment. So if there is an event happening, you're going to send the crew, they will have a camera, they're in the middle of the streets, wherever they are, they need to send the video back home, they need to be live on a news program, and cellular contribution is very easy to use from that perspective. So that technology by itself, it's not new, it's been there since 3G, 4G was made available, it has evolved. It's now accelerating with the deployment of 5G in many countries. And our technology are based on what we call bonded cellular, which means that our video transmitters that you can plug on the back of a camera or have in a backpack or belt mount will allow you to send high quality video over multiple cellular connections. And on the receiving side, we're going to recreate the video and deliver it to the production facility, whether it's on-prem or in the cloud. So that use case is known. It's now evolving. We actually just released our latest generation transmitters called the Falkon X2. It's a dual modem 4 antenna MIMO transmitters. It's a big innovation, a big step forward in terms of quality. It's actually a very compact unit. So you see that everybody is now adopting that for sure when you're in a mobile environment. Right. Now there is the other side of 5G, which is private 5G, the use of 5G indoor. you know, the TV industry at large has been used to use RF technology quite a lot. It's a well-known, you know, well-known technology that
Yes.
works well. Now, 5G is coming as the next generation of technology for indoor, outdoor usage for productions, because 5G brings the power of IP connectivity. You know, when you do RF, it's point-to-point connections. You need many frequencies. When you do 5G, you create your 5G network or you use the public 5G network, then any traffic will go over IP. Whether it's video, whether it's audio only, whether it's photos, your intercom, your camera control, all of that is going to be carried over the IP network. So it gives a lot of flexibility and helps a production company be more efficient. So that's the second side of the 5G transmission, which is a domain where we're also very active.
Final question. We want to talk about still quickly latency when we have you here. So it's very essential. How is Haivision's technology helping broadcasters in that space? So, of course, already all that you told is low latency, but please specify a bit more.
Sure. You know, the challenge of low latency is an end-to-end one. So all the components of the technical chain needs to be fine-tuned and optimized so that at the end of the day, you've got a low latency. So at Haivision, we've been focusing on low latency forever. You know, low latency, quality, security, reliability are cornerstone pillars of what we do at Haivision. And it's about optimizing the encoding and the transmission. So we do that across all our products. The Makito is well known to be your high quality, low latency encoders. In another part of our business, by the way, on the defense side of our business, we do a lot of low latency encoders as well. And our 5G transmitters are optimized for low latency. I think we actually have the, you know, the leading proposition with our 80 millisecond low latency on private 5G with our Pro 4 transmitters and now our Falkon X2 transmitters. So it's something which we're very proud of and something we're investing a lot of R&D on.
I see. Okay. Also in Asia, I guess, the same
Absolutely.
story.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Great. Thank you so much for your time. It was
Thank you very much.
Interesting. Next time watching sports, I'm thinking of all these new innovations.
Thank you.
Thank you for your for watching the video, and please for other topics and technology talks, please visit IABM website. Thank you so much.